Market is about to open. We just took out some manipulation buy side. We have tons of sell side targets. I think I'm a little bearish, even though we are showing bullish market structure. We're clearly just going up on the higher time frames. We're literally just going up, but we have so much leftover sell side targets that I really would love a short. And I'm just being completely honest. This 1 minute inversion right here, targeting these lows here, I would not mind taking that at all. So we're just going to see. We're going to let it play out. We have a fresh 4 hour way down here, way down there. That was basically made relatively lows with the fresh 4 hour. So that could be a draw as well. But overall, we are in bullish market structure, so we could just continue rallying. But we took out some 5-minute and 15-minute strong buy side liquidity. And now I'm just chilling and waiting and seeing what sets up. So, yeah. Okay, no inversion on this 1 minute. Sadly, I still am potentially going to take it. All right, so this 1 minute inversion, like I said from the beginning, this may happen. I still like it. I'd go break even here, TP at this lower 1 minute fair value gap. I just need some follow through. I need some continuation. Maybe another sweep up here would be great before we rally down. We did take out these relative equal highs on the 30-second right here. But yeah, I just need more confliction to make me want to take this trade. Because right now we're just chopping. So, you know. Yeah, I think I'm going to end up taking this short here. Wow. No retrace? That'd be brutal. No retrace? Hello? Give me something. Give me some type of retrace, please. Wow. It's brutal. That's my break-even point, so I got to get out there. Wow. It's insane. Entry would have been here. Okay, this trade really doesn't matter much anymore. I'm pretty sure I would have gone break-even anyways. We swept this low. That was my break-even target. I think my entry was like right here, so I probably would have went break-even anyways. Probably would have gone break-even tapped, and then it would have delivered, so I'm not that mad about it. Unfortunate. Could have been a really good trade, but these things happen, you know? All right, so what's going on right now is we're kind of selling off. I ended up missing a short entry up here. I'll probably leave in the sell limit I put. It was literally like right there. Which is unfortunate. I just missed out on this trade. It's whatever. We're about to sweep London lows, and we're about to sweep some more lows. We have a fresh 5-minute right here. Let me mark that out. We have a fresh 5-minute right here. I'm either going to hope for a retrace back up, tap into the 5-minute, and then another sell-off targeting London low, or we sweep London low right now, and we call it a day, and we target that 5-minute. Let's hope for one. You get what I'm saying? Let's hope for one. I would love to target London and continue this bearish market structure than to try to long to the 5-minute after London sweep. Because I don't know if we're going to continue selling off. I don't know if we're going to do whatever, you know. Super risky here. Not risky. Okay, there goes a swing low. Hopefully, maybe that can give us enough to rally back up, take out the tap into this 5 and short again. But we'll see. We'll see. I honestly would really like if we went back up, tapped into this 5-minute, and then sold off again. That would be really dope. But Just because if we take out these lows and I try to long back up, we could just be in super strong bearish market structure, and I could just take a long and get cooked. So looks like we're gonna take out London low. Which is great in a sense. Maybe not. All right, now we're just having the ultimate sell-off of fucking doom. We have relative equal lows that I just pointed out in the beginning. I'm pretty sure that we are just running to. We haven't tapped into that or gotten that close yet. There's also a 4-hour fair value gap that I told y'all made relative equal lows with. I'm honestly just waiting for a little bit of a retrace back into maybe an upper 5-minute, which hopefully we form soon before we just shit the bed. But I want price to retrace into an upper gap, an upper imbalance, and then we continue selling off towards, I think, obviously the target for this session, which is those relative equal lows in 4-hour. If we just rally or sell off to two of these relative equal lows in the 4-hour, like that's kind of just the whole session in my opinion. So I'm not going to force anything, but I do want to get a trade today in. Like I said, I don't want to force anything, but I do want to get at least a trade in. So all right, we're slowly but surely moving up towards this upper 5-minute. The only problem is I need another fair value gap to form for me to catch shorts off the 5-minute because there's no gaps being formed currently. There was one, but it already got inversed, but I'm not going to take that because I'm waiting for this 5-minute, right? Yeah, there we go. Delivery. All right, boom. That's a tap into the upper 5-minute. If I get a 30-second short out of this or any type of short, like a 1-minute, that would be great as well. I just don't want to see any strong rejection yet. I want to see us be able to actually form, some gaps to where I can short out of this. Okay, we're about to form a small 30-second. So hopefully whenever we sell off, continue selling off, I can take that. That would be great. All right, this 30-second may play out here. I'm going to be cautious and ready. Okay, so there was a 1-minute inversion targeting the upper 5-minute, but I just decided to stay out because honestly, I'm really focused on continuing following the trend, taking a short in a bearish market. But yeah, I'm just kind of waiting patiently for this 30-second to get inversed here. But we'll see. I was really just waiting for a retrace into the 5 and then a continuation of shorts, but looks like I don't know if we're gonna even continue shorting here, but could have definitely. It was right here. I'll show you guys it right now. So that 1-minute long inversion was here. The 5-minute gap was right here. So if I took, it was where this orange line is. So if I took an entry down here on this retrace candle and then just targeted this 5-minute, that could have been a couple points, but I didn't love it, so I didn't take it. I'm just hoping this 30-second ends up getting inverse and I can take some shorts. That would be super dope. I'm going to have a big stop here, but that's fine. I want this upper 1-minute to protect me, so I either have a bigger stop or I have a more of a retrace entry. So yeah. Seems like we're going to be given a short here. Yep. Let's see if I can get a retrace. Hopefully this thing will pull back up. Wow.
Order filled.
That's going to be the trade for me. I'm going to go break even at these relative equal lows here. Hopefully we get some rejection down. That's the goal. Respecting this 1 minute, I mean, this 30-second that we inversed, hoping that we continue delivering, at least take out my break even so this can be a risk-free trade. It's fine. It's fine. All right, that's break even for me. That's break even for me. Let's hopefully get some delivery.
Order filled.
Gosh, beauty. Absolute beauty. Oh my gosh. 30-second inversion. Continuing off the 5-minute bearish trend. Tap into the upper 5-minute. Literally perfect. Textbook. Absolute textbook. Such a beautiful trade. Wow. Could have held that even longer all the way to these lows. Wow. Just such a beautiful trade. That's just textbook right there. Waited for the perfect retrace. Had a perfect stop. 5-minute tap. Upper 5-minute tap. Such a beautiful trade. I'm so happy about that. Oh, it's not even like I preach this all the time. I get very not emotional, but I get very happy when just it feels good when you stick to your rules, you stick to your plan. You go break even where you want to go break even. You predict the market. Like, what did I say this whole time? I want to upper tap into the 5-minute. I want to, a retrace in the 5-minute. And then we continue this bearish trend, selling off, boom, green. That's all it is, man, is just patience and waiting. That's all it is. But that's going to be it for this live trade recap. Super good short there. 30-second inversion. Just perfect, man. Absolutely perfect. Just beautiful. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week.